Ibhunga leThutyana Loogqirha Bomthonyama belizwe okanye beMpilo eMzantsi Afrika livakalisa ukuphoxeka kwalo ngempatho eliyifumene kwiSebe lezeMpilo leSizwe. Ibhunga lixela ukuba kudala lisilwela ukuba amalungu alo aqatshelwe ngokupheleleyo njengeengcali zezeMpilo eziqeqeshiweyo, kodwa imizamo yalo iphalala. Untsikelelo kholosa we-Kwalo Healers Collective uthi baziva bekrobe ngefestile kwinkqubo yezeMpilo yelizwe.
We want decolonized consultations when it comes to the framework of traditional healers, especially the development of the regulations. When Maskurumange decolonized, we mean that there must be a protocol consultation, because what we see that the Department of Health and the Interim Council of Traditional Healers, they didn't include Abantu Basamakaya who don't have access to television, don't have access to radio, don't have access to PDF files or WhatsApp. In Tobayenzili, they just took in those 200,000 plus traditional healers, they only consulted with only 900 healers in terms of saying, this is the framework eliyifumene and this is how it's going to happen. They are telling us what they want. But we feel like as traditional healers of South Africa that it is not okay that siyabandlululwa. And yes, I'm not going to speak like I was not invited in Wakatambo, yes, in the Kilambofukan life, but that is not the fact that they should basically call those favorite traditional healers to the consultations. We need them to go back. Ekasi, we have more than 100 traditional healers. On that 900 they've invited to the consultations. We feel like it's not even a quarter of traditional healers. And when we say we want a decolonized consultations framework, we mean that we need scholars, we need communities, we need traditional healers themselves, we need our patients, people who are using the medicine of traditional healers. We need them to consult with our kings and queens in terms of protecting our indigenous knowledge and our herbs.